Big goals can feel scary until you climb them one small step at a time. On a sunny hillside farm lived a curious young goat named Nemo, who loved challenges but rushed into everything. And one breezy morning, he spotted a tall wooden ladder leaning against the barn, reaching up toward a branch heavy with red apples that swayed like little lanterns. "I'll get them in one leap," Nemo boasted, springing forward, only to wobble, slip on the first rung, and tumble gently into a pile of hay while the chickens clucked and the sheep giggled. Cheeks warm with embarrassment, Nemo kicked the hay and muttered, "Maybe ladders aren't for goats." But a calm voice answered from behind. Old Baco the donkey, patient and steady as the earth. "Ladders are for learners, and learners climb one step at a time." Nemo snorted, "But that's slow." Baco smiled, tapping the lowest rung with his hoof. "Slow is smooth. Smooth becomes fast. Try again. One hoof, then the next." So Nemo placed his front hoof on the first rung, feeling the wood tremble, then set the second hoof, paused, breathed, and let his back hooves follow. The ladder steadied beneath him, and his heart steadied too. He didn't look at the top. He looked at the next step, whispering, "Just one more." The wind tickled his ears, the barn smelled of sun-warmed straw, and the world shrank to the rhythm of hoof-paws breathe lift. Halfway up, a pigeon flapped by, and Nemo froze. Baco called softly, "When you feel stuck, take a little rest. Resting is part of learning." Nemo counted to 3, smiled, and climbed again. Near the top, the apple branch brushed his nose. He nibbled one crisp bite, then remembered the others watching below. Carefully, he picked 2 apples, tucked them against his chin, and climbed down with the same patient rhythm. Hoof paws, breathe lift. The animals cheered when he landed, and Nemo offered an apple to Baco first. "You taught me the steps," he said. "You took them," Baco replied. For the next few days, Nemo became the farm's quiet climber. He used the ladder to help the hens rescue a tangled ribbon from the eaves, to hang wind chimes for the children by the porch, and to reach a stuck kite for the lambs. Each time, he started low, moved slowly, and grew sure. When a sudden storm later snapped a shutter loose, the farmer worried it would break a window. But little Nemo trotted over, braced the ladder, and, with Baco spotting from below, climbed steadily to tie the shutter safe. Raindrops patted his back like applause. That evening, sharing apple slices under a peach-colored sky, Nemo told the gathered animals, "I thought courage meant leaping to the top. Today, I learned courage means trusting the next step." The lambs repeated it like a song, and even the chickens stopped clucking long enough to nod. From then on, whenever something looked too high, too hard, or simply too new, the farm remembered the goat who reached the sky. One rung, one breath, one calm step at a time. Moral: great things are learned step by step. Start small, move steadily, and the top will meet you.